Hello everyone, I am back and this time I am talking. The past few days or weeks, months if you will, I was not able to talk a lot due to moving to a new place and so forth. However, I wanted to change things up a bit on my channel. On my Tumblr, I am doing something called Self-Care Sunday, which every Sunday is going to be Self-Care Sunday. And what it is I will be talking, discussing, sharing ideas and thoughts and so forth on the practice of self-love and self-care. And mainly in a spiritual way, but also mentally and physically, but mainly for you witches out there. So today's topic is shadow work. Now, I'm gonna be doing these type of videos with me creating items that some would consider self-care, and in this video I am making dry shampoo. If you're curious on the recipe and stuff, I will have it linked down in the description if you want to make it yourself. There's tons of videos on it, and I'm just doing a voiceover of this. So anyways, shadow work. Shadow work, for those who don't really know of it, some people consider it as hell, as some will relive their harsh experiences. This isn't with everyone. Everyone does it completely differently, but it is still the same thing. It's a way of helping your well-being and your spiritual self. Sorry, I had to cut it off there. My mom needed my help real quick. So, sorry for the interruption, and sorry if this doesn't really flow well into the video or into the next clip. But anyways, where was I? I believe it was a way of helping your well-being, spiritually, mentally, physically. And it's a way to confront your inner demon self and hug it and give thanks to it. It's, you're kind of, think of like if you have depression or anxiety. A lot of us hate the fact that we suffer from depression and anxiety. And I know for, my whole life since I was 10 and I had developed depression, I'm just now realizing and switching it up by saying I'm thankful that my depression brings up past memories that shows that I still need help in this area. I'm happy that it brings to my attention what I need to work on myself in order to heal. And that's how I kind of think of shadow work. When you're confronting your inner demon self, you're thanking it for bringing up these certain ideas, these certain memories and feelings, because it wants you to work on it. It wants you to heal from it. And also, shadow work is, it's supposed to help you heal unhealed wounds. Things that you don't want to bring to the surface. And this can go for, if you're repressing your emotions, bottling things up, and so forth. Just because, you don't want to remember it, you don't want to face it, because either of the pain, the experience, the feeling, and so forth. When you're doing shadow work, you know, it will help you to gain your confidence back. It will help you gain your self-esteem, and it will also help you to forgive yourself, in which I'm sure everyone, including me, have a hard time forgiving ourselves, especially if you suffer from depression. um, and it's not an easy thing, and whoever is looking into doing shadow work, you should know that it's not going to be a easy process, but it is something that is very empowering and something very important to do in any type of practice you do to balance yourself and to understand yourself more. So, yes. Also, this is actually a good practice to be doing now that we're in the time of quarantine due to this stupid pandemic. So yes, I do hope you guys will be staying safe, staying inside, drinking a nice cup of tea, lighting your incense, sitting in front of your altar, chatting with their deities and spirit friends, just having a ball. So, yeah, I am going to end it here. If you have any ideas on what you would like for me to discuss on Self-Care Sunday, please comment them down or message me on my Tumblr. I hope you all will have a very good day. Goodbye.